Hey guys, it's your girl the Great Tay. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to properly bleach your knots. So I'll be bleaching this knot here. This is my deep wave closure. I believe it's 14 inches. So I'll be bleaching this knot. Also, I'll be bleaching the knots for this. It's a 10-inch Kinky Curly Frontal, and they're both from my Dash 27 collection. So that's what I'll be doing today. For this video, we will need our BW2 powder lightener. We're going to need a bowl, and we're also going to need our 40 volume developer. So let's get right into the video, you guys. So I'm going to start with adding my BW2 to my bowl. So I'm adding 2.5 scoops. I'm bleaching the entire frontal because I'll be using this frontal to Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it with the Shiny Silver Ultra Conditioning Shampoo. So I'm using this shampoo as it will get rid of the brassiness from the bleach. So this shampoo I'd recommend after bleaching. So this is what the unit looks like, you guys. Look at that. What lace. What lace. Look at that. It looks like scalp. So that's what it looks like after bleaching. That's the closure, and this is the frontal, you guys. So that's it. That's all. Stay blessed and keep motivated. Thanks for watching.